Here is my chiropractor's air conditioner running on a really hot day. Today is September 5th, 2023, and it is 90 degrees outside. This unit was installed when the building was remodeled and renovated for a chiropractor's office in 2018. And this is a 410A version. This one has a micro-channel coil, which is rather unique. So just a little bit of plugging up on it, but that's okay. So they're not horribly difficult to clean. So yeah, this thing runs really well. Keeps the inside nice and cold. And I like how they put it on some bricks and concrete bricks and a nice insulated pad. So yeah, this is definitely a really good installation. And I give the technicians credit that put this in. It's very quiet. Before it used to be rather loud and obnoxious, but when they fixed the problems at this house, loose mounts here on the grill, the compressor is being weird. This thing has been working pretty well ever since it was repaired. And here we got some unknown unit. This one is probably from the early 90s, maybe even the 80s. It's got a little bit of rot on the drain pan. This is a small chassis. It's only on maybe a 5,000 or something, maybe a 8,000 or something like that. Not sure. Anyway, back to this one. This one runs really well. As I've said before, this runs so well. It gets kept the inside nice and cool, even despite problems it's had in the past. Those problems have been resolved, and this unit runs really well now. So I'm going to be quiet for a minute to let you guys enjoy the sound of this unit. See the size of the motor. There's some model information on the motor. Microfarad capacitor. So yeah, that's a 5 microfarad capacitor that this requires. So yeah, there it is. That is it's an unbranded one too, so I don't know what brand this is. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you for more.